Yes, welcome back. And today we'll see how we can copy items within an array. So copying an array refers to the process of creating a new array altogether. Now, will that will have the same elements what the original elements have. But there are two ways in which you can copy elements within an array that forms the shallow copy or the deep copy. Yeah, we'll see what you mean by shallow copy or deep copy within an array is by looking into the operators. Yeah, so let's try to understand how we do this. Yeah, so the first way of copying an item is through an assignment operator, which creates a shallow copy. Yeah, I'll show you technically how it. What do I mean by shallow copy? So, using assign operator, that is equals to sign. Yeah. So we can assign an array to another array using assignment operator. However, such assignment does not create a new array in the memory. Yeah. Instead, it creates a new reference to the same array. How it happens, I'll show you an example. So suppose I have import array as array name. I have this array. Yeah. And I have this original copy and I am creating a new array using an assignment operator. So equals to sign and I am using my original array to copy here. So it will show as a new array. But the another thing that you need to understand is I'll print ID of my array and new array. Yes. So what I'm trying to do is I'm using my array to create a new array. Yeah, this is my new array. This is my original array. And I'm trying to get the IDs whether this should be different. If this entire there is an entirely new copy created, then the ID, that is the memory address, should be different. Yeah. So let's run this. Here you can see both the IDs for my array and new array is same because the new array is not created. Rather, it is a reference to the same old original array. That's why we say it as a shallow copy. You can check both the IDs, they have the same value. Since A and B refer to the same array object, any change in the array A will reflect in B. So suppose I change my array, I change the second value, that is 2 to my array 999, and we'll check my original array. Yeah, and we'll check the new array. So what I'm trying to do is I'm changing my array, that is this second value 333 to 3333 to 9999. Yeah, but I'm doing it in my original array. I'm not doing anything in my new array, but still this change would be reflected in my new array. We can see that. Let's run this. Here you can see my original copy has changed automatically by 9, but I haven't done anything like this on my new array. Still, my new array has changed. This is because both the variables are referring the same copy using this memory address. So this is what you mean by shallow copy. So any changes done to my elements within my original array will automatically reflect in my new array. Yeah. So let's try the second method, that is the deep copy, and we'll use the same examples. Yeah. So let me put this text using deep copy. Yeah. Oh, deep copy method. We have this as a method. Okay. So what deep copy is does is it is used to create another physical copy of an array. We use another module that is called deep copy. And now a deep copy constructs a new compound object and then recursively insert copies into it. Yes. And any changes done to your original will never change the existing. So let me use the same example. We use this. Yeah. This time we'll do a deep copy. So the formula would change. So I'll say new copy is equal to this is, and we have to import one more thing, that is module, that is import copy. Yeah, that's it. And then we'll run copy dot deep copy and the array that we have. That's my original array. Okay, and we'll get the IDs as well for both of them. Yeah. So what we have done here is we have this original array. We are creating a deep copy by first importing the module copy so that we can get this method. And from copy, we are using the deep copy method to copy my array into new array. And then we are checking whether the IDs for the same are the same or not. So let's run this. So here we can see the copy has been created, but IDs that are referring to both of them, my array and new array, both are different. Now, if I try to make any change in my original array, it should not make any change in the new array. You can see my original array has been changed by the number which I have specified. However, the new array is still unchanged. Yeah. So this proves that new object is created with a copy, but it will not reflect the changes that are done in your original copy. Yeah. This is normally used when you want to have a backup for any kind of changes that you've done in the future. So this is used to create a backup, whereas the first shallow copy is mostly used to create is created when you want your new data to be always updated and be shown to the person who is doing any kind of analysis on it. Hope you understood both the methods. I have tried to make you understand by showing you the memory addresses of both, where what happens in case of shallow copy and deep copy, which will help you to understand what is the difference in both the copies when you are using them. Well, that's very important, and that will affect your analysis if you try to do it incorrectly. Yeah. Hope you understood the concept of copying array items within Python. Hope you like this video. Hope you share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views on this content or if you have any inputs on any of the examples that have been shown. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This will help you to get all the latest videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.